Would you like to soar like a bird? Paragliding allows you to do just that, as Jeff explains.
The good thing about it is doesn't cost you anything. You know, once you've trained and you bought yourself a paraglider, then you can just rock up and go flying anytime you like.
What sort of costs are involved with this sport?
It probably costs about £1,000 to learn and a couple of £1,000 for a wing. So, you know, once you've done that, you're up and away really. And
to learn, you should find a good club. Courses range from one-day tasters to full-time courses lasting a couple of weeks. Here you will be taught all about your equipment, safety and flight theory, and also practical flying from ground control of your wing to full flying. You may even get the chance to fly tandem with an instructor, taking over the controls in flight. Within 5 days you can reach elementary pilot level, allowing you to fly solo under instructor supervision, and within 2 weeks you could reach club pilot level, enabling you to fly solo without supervision in a club environment. So in a very short time you will be going solo and enjoying this great sport with thousands of others. So once you are qualified and you have your paraglider, what sort of weather conditions do you need to fly it?
you know, the Isle of Wight is perfect. You've got every wind direction is covered. You've got the cliffs here, which you've been filming, which is fantastic sort of relaxing flying just backwards and forwards, or you can fly up on the hills there and you know, see if you can sort of get up higher towards the clouds, you know.
The paragliding wing or canopy is made of 2 layers of fabric connected to internal supporting material to form a row of cells. Keeping the cells open at the front of the wing allows incoming air to inflate the wing and keep its shape. When inflated, the wing's cross-section takes the typical shape of an aerofoil. The pilot is supported underneath the wing by a network of lines or risers, spread across it divided into 2 pairs, left and right. These are then connected to his harness. Control of speed and braking is accomplished by manipulating the lines or risers using pulleys which the pilot has in each hand, which alter the angle of the trailing edge of the wing. Direction is also controlled this way and by the pilot leaning one way or the other. Is paragliding dangerous?
It's like every sport really, it's about as dangerous as you make it. You know, you give somebody a car, they can drive as fast or as slow as they like, and the fast ones tend to not last that long. It's the same with this sport, you know, you've got different types of wing. Some are sort of slower and safer, and others are sort of faster and twitchier, but go faster and go higher. So, and part of the training is to make sure that you don't, you know, you're looking out all the time. You know, it's important to, obviously you're up in the air, and if something goes wrong there's less opportunity to correct it, so you know, it's really important to check everything before you take off, check the wind conditions, as long as you know, take care and don't do anything stupid. Again, it's flying into wind, and you know, generally that slows you right down. If you try and land going with the wind, then you're going to hit the ground pretty fast and get dragged along, so yeah.
So, it seems it can be quite easy to soar like a bird, with the right equipment.